Tired of hunting for the delete button on Jira forms? Here is exactly how to remove them in under a minute. We will open your project, navigate to Forms, and delete the one you want in just a few clicks. No more digging through menus, no more frustration. Just a clean, simple process. All right, the first thing you want to do is sign into your Jira account. Go ahead and log in like you normally would. This is the same place you go to every day to manage your projects. And once you are in, you are going to see your dashboard. Now, on the left-hand side, you will see a panel with all of your projects listed. Go ahead and click on the specific project that has the form you want to get rid of. Just one click there, and it will open up that project for you. Once your project is open, look toward the top of the screen. You will see a row of tabs. You have got your board, your backlog, your roadmap, and then right there in the middle is the one we need, Forms. Click on Forms. This will bring up a list of every form currently attached to that project. And here's a quick tip. If you have a lot of forms, this list can get a little long, so take a second to find the exact one you are looking for. Now, hover your mouse over the form you want to delete. Just move your cursor right over it. You do not need to click it. Just hover. When you do, you will notice a couple of small icons appear on the right side of that form row. One of them is a little icon with 3 dots. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. A small drop-down menu will appear, and this is the part people always miss. At the bottom of that menu, you will see the option you have been looking for, Delete Form. Click on that. Now, do not worry, Jira is not going to delete it immediately. It will ask you to confirm first. A pop-up window will appear with a message saying something like, "Are you sure you want to delete this form?" And it will probably warn you that this cannot be undone, so make absolutely sure you have the right form selected. Once you are sure, go ahead and click the red Delete button. And just like that, it is gone. No more clutter, no more scrolling past forms you do not need, and that is really all there is to it. In my experience, this is one of those tasks that seems hidden until you know exactly where to look. But once you have done it a couple of times, it only takes a few seconds. If you found this helpful, consider checking out some of the other guides on the channel. I cover little tips like this all the time. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.